Hey everybody, Mr. Lawrence here. This is Piano Adventures by Nancy and Randall Faber. Today we begin the Piano Adventures Level 1 lesson book. This is the red book. Okay, and as we start here, we go straight to page 4, which gives us a great review of notes that we've learned in the primer level book and the time signatures, dynamic marks. So like when it comes to the notes and the rhythm, I should say, we have the quarter note gets the 1 beat, half note gets 2, dotted half gets 3, whole note gets 4, quarter rest gets 1 beat. Then we come to the time signature, which is completely related to the rhythm, okay? The top number tells us how many beats are in a measure. So in this case, we have 4 beats in a measure. Bottom number tells us what note, which one of these is counted as 1 beat. And the 4 always tells us the quarter note gets the 1 beat, okay? So that was one of the time signatures you learned in the primer level, and here's the second one that you learned, 3-4. So that tells us 3 beats in a measure, and the quarter note still gets the 1 beat, okay? The dynamic marks, we have forte, meaning loud, piano, meaning soft, mezzo forte, meaning medium. I say medium loud, moderately loud, okay? It's the same thing. Those are referred to as the dynamic marks, okay? A lot of people forget that it's called that, okay? And then here's the review of the note names that you learned in the primer level. In the right hand, you learned G all the way down to middle C. Right here, that doesn't show middle C for the right hand, but it does pick up the middle C in the left hand, bass clef, left hand. So we go from, in the right hand, once again, G, F, E, D, and then picks up the middle C in the left hand, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, and bass C. Okay, so that's a nice little review, that page in this book. And then as we get on over to page 5, okay, we're reminded of steps and skips. Okay, so step up from D, step down from G, step up from E. Actually, I think you're supposed to write in here, you know, like draw. Yeah, it says draw. See where it says draw steps up or down? Okay, and then draw the skips, all right? Actually, I'm going to spend time on that in the next video on pages 6 and 7, okay? Because there's a song that talks more, that shows more about the skips and steps, okay? And then as we get down to the bottom of the page, we have a C 5-finger scale, okay? And that's going to sound like this. Oh, and notice it's loud first, soft the second time. The reason why I say second time is because we have the repeat sign, okay? So it's going to sound a little something like this. I'm going to play it with one hand, but both hands play, obviously. Okay, so anyway, that's a quick review of the first 2 pages in this level 1 lesson book. I'm signing off for now. We'll see you later.